how to log out Insta ID from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log out your Insta ID from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out your Instagram ID from other devices, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram app. Then you want to make sure to come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Then you want to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and then go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, the layout could be different based on you have a professional or a personal account. Now either way, you have to just tap the account center button from the very top of the screen. Once you tap the account center option from the very top of the screen, you're going to see this type of interface over here, and under it where you have to go to this option called password and security. Once you go to password and security, one way that you can log out every people is by simply changing your password. So you can tap the change password and change your password. When you change your password, all of the people who are logged into your Instagram account will be logged out automatically. You don't even need to do anything. But then there's the other side where you can just review the devices manually. For that, you can just go to where you are logged in section here, select your Instagram account, and then you'll be able to see all the devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in. So you can just select a specific device here, select the option to select devices to log out, select those devices here, and then just hit the log out option. This way you can log out your Insta ID from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.